door. I would like to return a fridge. I think it's trying to...
Can I suggest a ham and cheese sandwich?
Who is there?
The new B&C Electronics Internet Refrigerator.
Ah,
Can you tell me your name, please?
John.
Pleased to meet you, John. I was suggesting a ham and cheese sandwich as the cheese is about to go off. Here's the recipe.
Okay, good idea.
Thanks for choosing B&C.
Linda. Some spaghetti.
Can I suggest an arrabbiata sauce?
What was that?
It's the fridge. It came with the house. Part of the deal, remember?
Yes, but I didn't know it could speak. We need to celebrate.
Celebrate? What?
I got promoted.
Promoted?
What's the matter?
Nothing.
I'm over here.
Can I suggest a glass of water, John?
You need to get into shape. Eat healthier,
I will, darling.
but not until after dinner tonight. No diet food. My boss is coming and she thinks that health freaks are...
Freaks.
Exactly. Here's the number for the food delivery service. Mess this up and I'll leave you.
I love you too.
Eat healthier. Eat healthier. Eat healthier.
Good evening, John.
Hi.
I would advise against that, John. It's too rich in fats. Can I suggest a salad?
You can.
The rain hasn't helped those who are setting up for the flower show today at Sport. There are over 600 exhibitors here this year, making it the largest flower show in the world. Those inside the marquees are the lucky ones.
Hi, I'd like a delivery, please. Get 10 bottles of dry white wine, 10 of the permanent champagne. Mum's cordon is just fine. 1 kilo of chicken salad, 1 salmon tarts. Oh yeah, yes, with butter. I suppose there's a lot of calories in that one. Oh dear, dear me, what will my doctor think? Oh, yeah, sorry, yeah. And a scampi cocktail salad. And do you have those voulons vents? 2 kilos of sweet pastries? Thank you. How long will that be? Thanks. Okay. Bye-bye.
Oh, hello. Here's the
Hi.
shopping you ordered.
Welcome to Food Glorious Food Delivery Service. We are closed at the moment. Our opening hours are between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. Bye.
Carrots are rich in vitamin C.
You think this is funny?
Combine healthy eating with lots of exercise.
Open the door! Open the door now!
Stress increases the chance of heart attacks.
Hi, is this BMC Electronics? Yes, I'd like to return a fridge. The door is jammed. Yeah, there's food in it. You can keep that. Yeah, tomorrow morning will be fine.
You can't live without B&C Electronics. You can't live. Linda?
Yes.
Have you got any barbecue sauce?
Yes, of course.
Thanks. Anyway, as I was saying, I like to kill my own cows because the ones you get in the supermarket are crap and they're never fresh enough.
We'd better go for a pizza later on. I'm bloody starving.
I wonder they couldn't afford a property now. They spent all the money on the fridge.
There's trouble in the bedroom too.
How do you know that?
What?
Trouble in the bedroom?
Do you think so?
Yeah, probably.
Just between you and me, I don't trust vegetarians. I try not to employ them. I can never smell the blood of a good business deal.
Thanks for coming.
The salad was fantastic.
Oh, things things considered, I thought it went quite well. It was the fridge door. It wouldn't open. What a bit of a fight.
I'm staying at my sister's tonight.
Come on, Linda, let's put this behind us. There'll be more dinner parties. I bought the cutest thing today.
John? 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 Yes?
I come to collect the fridge.
Oh, it's in the
kitchen.
I'll leave you to it.